A blessing in disguise. Ever had something bad happen, only to realize later that it was actually for the best? That's what we call a blessing in disguise. This idiom means that something that seems unfortunate at first might actually bring good results in the end. Now imagine missing a bus only to find out later that it broke down. You were upset at first, but in reality, it saved you from being stuck. That's a blessing in disguise. Or maybe you didn't get the job you wanted, but then you found an even better one. See, sometimes setbacks are just life's way of leading you to something greater. So, next time something doesn't go your way, ask yourself, could this be a blessing in disguise? Like and follow for more cool idioms.